Hello, my name is Sarah Alpert and I'm a product manager on our core public notice product. I've been with Column since I started in 2020 as an intern, and it's been incredible to watch the company and our product grow over the past few years. Today, I'm looking forward to sharing some of the biggest improvements we've made in recent months. First, I want to talk about your common notice categories, such as notice to creditors and name changes. We worked with many of our publishing partners to build templates that take the guesswork out of placing these notices. The goal of these templates is to assist individuals who aren't as experienced in placing public notices, and to take the repetition out of processing standard notice formats. Today, when an advertiser begins to place a notice, they are prompted to fill out a questionnaire with information relevant to the type of notice they're placing. For example, for a name change notice, advertisers enter their old and new names and a few other details, and once the questionnaire is complete, they see the pagination-ready proof of their notice text. But we've heard that some of these questionnaires are confusing, and it's difficult for advertisers to answer some questions without seeing the context of the whole notice. Plus, if advertisers see anything that needs to be changed or edited when their notice is complete, they need to start the questionnaire from scratch. To make it easier for your advertisers to create accurate, perfectly formatted notices, we've completely overhauled this interface. We are replacing questionnaires with fill-in-the-blank templates that live directly in the notice editor. With these refreshed notice templates, advertisers can see how their answers flow right into their notice, and they can easily make any edits or corrections. Not only will this make the process more streamlined and straightforward for advertisers, it will also be much faster for Column to create new notice templates going forward, meaning more publishers can take advantage of these standardized notice types. We're rolling out new templates gradually, so if you already use Column and are excited to try it out, reach out to your account executive so we can work with you to set up templates for common notice types in your paper. Next, I want to talk about affidavits. As Jake mentioned in the opening, our very first brief was focused on our automated affidavits pilot. In the last year, we've gone from a small group of publishers testing out this service to now 48 publishers taking advantage of Column's full-service affidavit automation. As our automated affidavits tool has become more and more popular, we've learned that publishers and advertisers want more visibility into the behind-the-scenes process. Now, when you go to your affidavit settings, you can see all uploaded e-editions for your paper, plus the number of verified notices for each publication date. My favorite part? When you open an individual notice, the activity log shows the date that the notice was published, along with a hyperlink to view the e-edition. That means advertisers can use Column to check out exactly how their notice looked in print. Now, back to placing notices. As you know, public notices can range from simple paragraphs to complex documents with tables, images, signatures, the list goes on. We've heard from our customers that it can be hard to place these complex notices in Column. But we're committed to making Column the all-in-one platform for your notices. When a notice requires multiple elements, such as text and an image file, we're going to let advertisers upload all those files into a single notice order. Advertisers can also leave a note indicating how they want the files formatted. Advertisers will be able to use this feature to submit complex notices without having to fiddle around in Column's text editor to make the format just right. That leaves it to the experts at your paper to format the files into a finished notice. We believe this option will make your customers' lives easier, but it might mean a little more work for the legals team, which is why this feature will be optional. If your publication wants to allow advertisers to upload multiple files for complex notices, let us know and we'll grant you early access to this feature. Next, I'm going to pass things over to Leo to share some of our upcoming features on our roadmap.